Welcome to the Gemstone Chronicles, where we unravel the stories and significance behind each month's birthstones. Join us as we embark on a journey through the gem-filled calendar. January kicks off the year with the mesmerizing garnet. Its deep red hue symbolizes passion, love, and vitality. Garnet is believed to bring protection and good fortune to those who wear it. February introduces us to the regal amethyst. Its enchanting purple color represents peace, tranquility, and inner strength. Amethyst is said to promote clarity of mind and spiritual growth. March offers a unique duo of birthstones. Aquamarine, with its serene blue tones, embodies purity, harmony, and courage. Bloodstone, with its specks of red, symbolizes vitality, strength, and resilience. April shines bright with the timeless beauty of the diamond. Known as the king of gems, diamonds symbolize eternal love, strength, and invincibility. They are a testament to enduring commitment and resilience. May brings forth the lush green emerald. This precious gemstone symbolizes rebirth, growth, and fertility. Emeralds are associated with hope, prosperity, and renewal. June dazzles us with a trio of enchanting birthstones. Pearls, with their iridescent luster, represent purity, innocence, and wisdom. Moonstones, with their ethereal glow, symbolize intuition, balance, and new beginnings. Alexandrite, with its remarkable color-changing properties, embodies luck, creativity, and joy. July blazes with the fiery brilliance of the ruby. This gemstone symbolizes passion, vitality, and courage. Rubies are believed to bring love, success, and prosperity to their wearers. August presents a vibrant duo of birthstones. Peridot, with its fresh green hue, represents strength, vitality, and healing. Spinel, with its array of colors, symbolizes energy, inspiration, and renewal. September shines with the majestic sapphire. This gemstone symbolizes wisdom, loyalty, and faith. Sapphires are believed to bring clarity of thought and spiritual enlightenment. October captivates us with its diverse birthstones. Opal, with its iridescent play of colors, represents creativity, inspiration, and spontaneity. Tourmaline, with its myriad hues, symbolizes balance, protection, and healing. November gleams with the warmth of topaz and citrine. Topaz, with its rich colors, symbolizes strength, courage, and abundance. Citrine, with its sunny yellow glow, represents joy, optimism, and success. December concludes the year with a trio of enchanting birthstones. Turquoise, with its striking blue hue, symbolizes protection, wisdom, and positivity. Zircon, with its fiery brilliance, represents prosperity, abundance, and confidence. Tanzanite, with its mesmerizing violet blue shade, symbolizes transformation, spirituality, and intuition. Each gemstone in the gem-filled calendar carries its own unique beauty and significance, reflecting the diverse tapestry of human experience. Which birthstone resonates with you the most? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Until next time.